Hello, welcome to Style Boutique. Can I help you find anything today? Hi, yes. I'm looking for a dress for a friend's wedding. I like this one, but I'm not sure about the size. Sure, what size do you usually wear? I usually wear a medium, but sometimes I need a large, depending on the fit. Could I try this dress on? Of course. Let me grab a medium and a large for you. You can see which one fits better. Here you go. A medium and a large. The fitting rooms are right over there. Take your time. Thank you. I will try them on. I think the medium fits well, but it feels a bit tight around the shoulders. What do you think? The medium looks great on you, but if it feels tight, you might be more comfortable in the large. Would you like to try it on again to compare? Good idea. I will try the large one more time. The large is definitely more comfortable, but I'm not sure if it looks too loose. It's a little loose, but that can be easily fixed with a belt or some minor alterations. The important thing is that you feel comfortable. Do you want to try it with a belt? Sure, let's try that. This actually looks much better. I think I will go with the large and the belt. Great choice. The belt really adds to the look. Is there anything else you would like to see? Actually, I'm also looking for a blouse for work. Something simple but stylish. We have a great selection of blouses over here. What color are you thinking of? Maybe a white or light blue, something that goes well with black trousers. These are some of our best selling blouses. This white one is very popular and we also have it in light blue. I like the style of this one. Could I try the white one in medium? Certainly. I will get that for you. Thanks. I will try this one on now. The medium fits well. I think I will take this too. Excellent choice. You have got a great outfit combination. Anything else today? No, that's all. Just the dress, the belt, and the blouse. Perfect. Let's go to the counter and I will ring these up for you. By the way, what's your return policy? Just in case I change my mind about the dress. We have a 30-day return policy. You can return or exchange any time within 30 days of purchase, as long as you have the receipt and the item is in its original condition. That's good to know. So, if I need to return anything, I just bring it back here with the receipt? Exactly. You can bring it back to any of our store locations. Just make sure it hasn't been worn or washed. Great. Thanks for explaining that. No problem at all. Here's your receipt and you are all set. Thank you so much for your help today, Kavya. You made shopping really easy. You are very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Have a great time at the wedding. I will. Thanks. Have a nice day. Shopping for clothes in English involves asking for right questions, trying on different sizes, and understanding return policies. The next time you go shopping, use these phrases to make your experience smoother.